Hello students, we are doing chapter 18 area of circle from class 9th book West Bengal Board of Secondary Education, and we have already completed till question number 3 in our previous video. So today we'll start right from question number 4. Okay, so this is question number 4. The cost of fencing of a village playground with railing is rupees 924 at the rate of rupees 21 per meter. Let us start by calculating how much square meter canvas will be bought for covering the field. So this is the question. Let us first understand the question. Okay, we have a circular field in our village. Okay, and we are asked to surround this circular field with the railing. We are asked to surround this circular field with a railing. Okay, and the total cost of constructing the railing is 924 rupees 924 at the rate of 21 per meter. Okay, to understand this concept, let's understand this first. Suppose the cost of one apple is rupees 5 and we have rupees 50. Okay, cost of one apple is 5, total amount is rupees 50. So how many apples can be bought at rupees 50 at the rate of rupees 5 per apple? That is very simple. Number of apples is given by total amount divided by rate, isn't it? If the cost of one apple is rupees 5, how many apples can be bought at rupees 50 means total amount 50 divided by rate will give us the number of apples. 50 divided by 5 is 10. So 10 apples can be bought at rupees 50, isn't it? Total cost of constructing the railing is 924. Total cost is rupees 924 and rate of construction is 21. Rate is 21. Rate is 21. So what will be the length of the railing? Like what will be the number of apples? Similarly, what will be the length of the railing is 924 divided by 21, isn't it? Total amount divided by rate will give us the length of the railing. The same concept is used here. Okay, from here we can find the length of the railing, which is actually the circumference of the circle, isn't it? So if we know the circumference, we can easily find the area of the circle. Okay, let's write the information given to us. Since total cost of constructing the railing equal to rupees 924, isn't it? 924, and rate of construction equal to rupees 21 per meter. So what will be the length of the railing? Therefore, length of the railing equal to total cost divided by rate, isn't it? Total cost is 924 divided by rate is 21. So let's divide this. 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7, 8 9, this becomes 22, 7 3s are 21, 1 in hand, this becomes 14, 7 2s are 14, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 1 in hand, this becomes 12, 3 4s are 12. So 44 meter. 44 meter is the length of the railing required to surround this circular field, isn't it? This is actually the circumference of the circle, isn't it? Therefore, circumference or the perimeter, okay, of the circular field. Circumference of the circular field equal to 44 meter. So if we know the circumference, we can easily calculate radius, isn't it? By putting the formula of circumference. What is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r. Circumference of circular field is 2 pi r equal to 44. Okay, so we have 2 here. Pi means 22 by 7 into r equal to 44. Or we keep r in the left hand side and take rest of the numbers to the right hand side. Okay, we have 44 already in the right hand side. This 7 goes to the numerator. 2 into 22 goes to the denominator. 22 1s are 22, 22 2s are 44. 2 and 2 cancels out, or r equal to 7 meter. So we got the radius of this circular field, isn't it? Radius is 7 meter. Okay. Now the question is asking us how much square meter canvas will be required to cover this circular field, isn't it? How much square meter of canvas is required to cover this circular field? That means what is the area of the circular field, okay? Therefore, area of the canvas required to cover the circular field or circular playground, okay, equal to, what is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square, isn't it? So let me continue this side, okay, equal to, what is pi? The value of pi is 22 by 7 r square. R is the radius of the circle, which we have 7, okay. R square means 7 square. 7 square means 7 into 7. 7 into 7 is 7 square. This 7 and this 7 cancels out. So we have 7 into 22. 7 to the 14. 7 to the 14 plus 1 is 15. 1 foot 54 square meters. Therefore, area of the canvas required to cover the circular playground or the field is 154 square meters. I hope you got this. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 5. Farooq will draw a circle of which area will be 616 square meters. Let us see by calculating what length of radius Farooq will take to draw a circle and what perimeter he will get. So this question is very simple, okay. Farooq drew a circle and area of this circle is given to us. Area is 616 square meters. Area of this circle is given to us. We are asked to calculate the length of the radius, okay, length of the radius and the circumference of this circle. Perimeter means circumference, okay. So let's write the given conditions. Since area of the circle drawn by Farooq, okay, area of the circle drawn by Farooq is 616 square meters. This is given. Since area of circle is 616 square meters, so what is the formula for area of circle? Pi r square, isn't it? Pi r square is the area of circle, which is equal to 616. From this equation, we have to find the radius, okay? So pi means 22 by 7 into r square equal to 616, or r square equal to 616 into this 7 goes to the numerator and this 22 goes to the denominator. 11 2s are 22, 11 5s are 55, 6 in hand, this becomes 66, 11 6 are 66, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, or r equal to this square when taken to the right hand side becomes root under 28, means 7 4s are 28, isn't it? So 7 into 4, 7 4s are 28, 7 into 4, 4 means 2 into 2, into this 28 is this, okay, 7 to the 14, 14 to the 28, this we have this 7 here, this 7 we write here, or r equal to 7 and 7 we make pair and free from the root, into 2 and 2 we make another pair and make free from the root, or r equal to, we have 7 to the 14 meters. So we got the length of the radius, which is equal to 14 meters, isn't it? Now we are asked to calculate the circumference of the circle, okay. Therefore circumference and perimeter same thing, okay. Circumference of the circle drawn by Farooq equal to, what is the formula for circumference of circle? 2 pi r, isn't it? So 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r. R is 14. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 22. Let me continue here, okay. 2 2s are 4, 4 into 22. 4 2s are 8, again 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. 88 meters. So circumference of the circle drawn by Farooq is 88 meters. Question number 6. Palas and Piali have drawn two circles. The ratio of its lengths of radius is 4:5. Let us write by calculating the ratio of the area of two circular fields drawn by them. So let us understand this question. Let us assume radius of one circle is r1 and the radius of another circle is r2. Okay, ratio of the radii is given to us, that is 4:5. 4:5, isn't it? So this indicates that one circle is smaller and the other circle is bigger because the radius are not equal. Ratio of the radius are not equal, isn't it? So let me draw the circles. Okay, this smaller circle is drawn by Palas, okay, whose radius is r1, and this bigger circle is drawn by Piali, whose radius is r2. I am assuming the radius of this circle is r1 and the radius of this circle is r2. Okay, now let us write, since ratio of radii of two circles is equal to 4:5. This is given, isn't it? Let the radius of a smaller circle be r1 and radius of bigger circle be r2. Okay, radius of a smaller circle is r1 and radius of bigger circle is r2. Okay, therefore r1 is to r2 equal to 4:5, isn't it? r1 4 and r2 5. Okay, r1 is to r2 is 4:5. Therefore area of a smaller circle is, what is the formula for area? Pi r square, isn't it? So pi r1 square, pi into what is r1? r1 is 4 square, or 4 square is 16. 16 into pi is 16 pi square unit. Okay, and area of bigger circle, is pi r2 square, isn't it? Because the radius of bigger circle is r2. Radius of bigger circle be r2, isn't it? So area of bigger circle is pi r2 square. So we write pi here into r2. What is r2? r2 is 5. 5 is squared. 5 squared is 25. 25 into pi is 25 pi square unit. We are asked to find the ratio of the areas of two circles, isn't it? Let us write by calculating the ratio of area of two circles drawn by them, isn't it? So therefore ratio of areas of two circles equal to this area is to this area. Small area of small circle is to area of bigger circle, isn't it? So 16 pi is to 25 pi. This pi and pi cancels out. These two numbers cannot be cancelled. So 16 is to 25 is the required ratio. Okay, this is the answer. So the ratio of the areas of a smaller circle to the bigger circle is 16 is to 25. I hope you got this. Okay, this much for today. We will continue this chapter in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. God bless you all. Thank you.